Hey there, financial wizards of the future. Welcome back to the Financial Guide. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary world of high-yield savings accounts. Picture this: two friends, savvy Sarah and spender Steve. Sarah wisely stashed her allowance into a savings account and watched it grow with interest. Steve, on the other hand, spent his cash on the latest gizmos, watching his money vanish as quickly as it came. As time passed, Sarah's money sprouted like a magical beanstalk, while Steve's pockets remained empty. This, my friends, is the magic of money. The magic of letting your money work for you, tirelessly, day in, day out. And the secret ingredient? A high-yield savings account. It's your future. You want your money to work for you, like an invisible helper growing your wealth. The solution is simple. Open a high-yield savings account at your local bank or online. This is where the magic happens, folks. Imagine your money as a tireless worker, always on the clock, always earning for you. That's what a high-yield savings account does. It's like your regular savings account, but it's been to the gym. It's buffed up, it's stronger, it's working harder. Now, let's break it down. You're probably asking, what's the difference between a regular savings account and a high-yield one? Well, in this game of financial baseball, the high-yield savings account is your home run hitter. It offers a higher interest rate, which translates to more money in your account over time. It's as safe as any regular savings account, but with the added bonus of earning you more. Opening a high-yield savings account is as easy as tying your shoelaces. Most banks, whether they're brick and mortar or online, offer this service. All you need to do is walk into your local bank or head to their website, fill in a few forms, and voila, you're the proud owner of a high-yield savings account. And the best part, you can do it all while jamming to your favorite tunes. Now that you've got your high-yield savings account, it's time to start feeding it. Think of it as your financial pet. The more you feed it, the more it grows. So, make a habit of depositing money into this account regularly. It could be a small portion of your paycheck, your birthday money, or those extra bucks you saved by skipping that fancy coffee. Every little bit counts. Here's the fun part. Every month, when you check your balance, you'll see a bit more money. That's your interest, your reward for being a savvy saver. It's like your money is having little money babies. Every month, you're gonna see a bit more moolah in there, thanks to the interest. And that, my friends, is how you put your money to work while you chill. So, let's get started on this journey towards financial freedom. Shall we? So, in a nutshell, open a high-yield savings account, let your money grow, and watch it work wonders for your future. It's like planting a seed and watching it bloom into a money tree. Your high-yield savings account is this money tree, and the more you feed it, the taller it grows, branching out into a secure and prosperous financial future. The magic is real, folks, and it's right at your fingertips. All you need to do is take that first step and open your high-yield savings account. Remember, it's not about how much you save, but how often you save. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can add up to a big difference over time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of saving. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. Go out there, open that high-yield savings account, and let the magic begin. See you next time, money wizards.